So this fixture changes the game. I mean, we can just say that. It's a game changer. Today, I am incredibly excited to be talking about this brand new beauty from Insight Lighting. You're probably already familiar with Insight's Prospot series, the 3, the 6, the 9, and the 17. But now, we are bridging that gap between the 9 and the 17 with this all-new, highly spec-able Prospot 13. All of the fixtures in the Prospot family have long been known for their high quality, their versatility, and their power. And there are just so many awesome ways you can customize Prospot, from LED configurations and colors, to a variety of powder coat finishes, to modifications to the fixture housing itself. It's almost unbelievable all the things Insight can do. The Prospot family, made in the USA. Best in class center beam candle power. Insight's famous nitro color technology for increased efficiency and output. The new Prospot 13 has all of that excellence, plus it comes in the industry's most popular light output, 100 watts. So all of these features, all of this power, all in the most popular size. Simply put, the Prospot 13 is right in that sweet spot. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it achieves that perfect balance between power, punch, and size. It's 50% lighter and 25% smaller than the Prospot 17, but its performance specs are downright beastly, delivering up to 107 lumens per watt, 11,338 total lumens, and, I kid you not, a center beam candle power of over 1.1 million. It has improved optics, a discrete lockable aiming mechanism, and an IK10 best-in-class impact rating. Best in class, best in class, best in class. You may be noticing a theme here. Some other brilliant features worth noting. With nitro color, you're going to get consistent, striation-free RGBW color mixing. It's bolder, brighter, and more efficient, distributing power only to the channels that need it. The flush lens and door help to ensure that any water or debris can't collect on the lens. When it rains, it's almost as if it self-cleans because anything on there is just going to flow right off. The Prospot 13 offers 5 field-swappable optical lenses to choose from and is available in 0 to 10 volt, DMX, and Dolly. So if you only use one projector, make it the Prospot 13. It is ultra configurable, and it's built with our fully sustainable design that allows for plug-and-play component interchangeability. With so many different ways to configure it, the Prospot 13 is basically like a specifier's cheat code. It's not just another fixture. It's a lighting instrument, and its power, its versatility, its beauty, all of these attributes combine to ensure that it is a perfect solution for really any sort of project you can think of. If you want to learn more and get your hands on it yourself, reach out to a local rep, get a sample, or visit insightlighting.com. Thank you so much.